Hey, good morning. Okay, so sorry if I sound muffled, but I'm just haven't woken up yet. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm in the unit already. Yeah, so if you're wondering what I'm doing at 5:30 in the morning, tidied up a little bit, and obviously we are off to the eBay headquarters today. Can't wait, really cool. It's going to be a long trip. I think it's 4.5 hours on the train. I've got to catch 3 trains to get there, and then as soon as we arrive, I think that the entry said, the invite said 11:30 entry till 12. They start at 12, and the train arrives at 11:36, and we're about 10 minutes walk. So it's going to be not a mad dash, but any slight delay and we're screwed. So yeah, we're going to try and rush around with that a bit today. Yeah, so I came here early, 5:30, because I didn't see the need to close the shop. So what I've done is anything I sold yesterday up until I think 7 o'clock I was still here, well 6 o'clock I was still here, I've packed and got rid of. And then what sold in between that time I'm going to pack. I've only got 2 small ones to be fair. And then anything that sells today, whilst I'm away, and tomorrow, I can pack tomorrow evening or Sunday. So that's fine. But what I've realised is, which I kind of knew already to be fair, is that I think I should be starting earlier. The problem is I'm so tired in the morning because I work so late. Sometimes I don't finish till 2 o'clock in the morning. So I think I need to work on that. Either fine-tune my times a little bit and see what we're doing. So we've only got a few sales, so it's nothing major. Just 2 injectors and some brackets. Oh, my voice this morning. Whew. You know what's worrying me the most is I'm hungry. I'm starving. I've got to be on a train in an hour. Well, an hour and a half I'm going to be at the train station. No, not 2 hours and a half. I've got to be at the train station. So I need to get a move on, get these things packed. Might take a while to find these because they're not stock taked properly yet. I know they're on the shelf, so they're not going anywhere. But the thing with injectors is I've got loads of different ones and they look exactly the same. So you have to make sure you get the right codes for them. 082 257 905. See, that looks exactly the same, but it's not. Ooh, one side. Yeah, so what I'm thinking of is if I come here earlier, say 6 o'clock, then I'm ready ahead of the day, which I kind of know, to be fair. But then the problem is I'll work late anyway. That's the problem I've got. I get so bored. I get bored stiff just sat down watching television. I don't mind if it's like a decent film every now and again, but I've got no series that I can think of that I can watch. So I just get bored stiff sat down watching television. I can't do it. I wouldn't say if I'm not earning money, but if I'm not being productive, I feel like I'm wasting my life. Just sat there watching television. Just drives me nuts. So I'm worried that if I come early, I shall still work very late, essentially. Yeah, I'm so pleased. I was late yesterday because I was painting the final bits on my motorbike as well. So I'll show you that in a second, once I've found this injector. 40529B. So I finally finished my motorcycle, apart from a lambda sensor, which is arriving, I think, today. So we'll be doing a test drive on the weekend. TBE842A3 4D. Yep. That's it. Yeah, so I'm going to pack these real quick. And excuse the mess because my daughter was making some labels for me because we've done the warehouse bit, we haven't actually renumbered the crates. So my daughter has kindly created some labels for me, and I've now got to come with my laptop and just relabel them essentially. Whilst I've got my eBay app open. So I'll do that probably Monday as we go through. I can't do them all in a day, but I'll probably go through them on Monday. Essentially, get those out of the way. And I started making, I'll show you in a second, I started making my bubble wrap holder. So a friend of mine gave me this. Perfect, that's a roller for like a conveyor belt. So all I'm going to do is chop that down to size. I've got both hinges, if you like, on the side. And I'm making a bracket that's going to go here. I think there anyway. I'm not sure if I want it here, to be fair. I haven't quite decided yet. Because I want one from a brown paper as well. So what I'm thinking, I can't use what's left because they've got special like rollers on the side there. It's a bit of a shame. So I might just make another one for this here. This only has to be a small one for the brown paper. But the bubble wrap definitely has to be hung because it's really annoying. And I think it's actually probably better there because then I can cut. So when the paper's hanging, I can cut it against this hard edge here. Yeah, so that's work in progress as well. This is work for next week, but I need to put these on the side somewhere. Yeah, so the plan for this week, well, the plan is to go to eBay HQ today, finish about 6, 7 o'clock, go to the hotel, chill, do some work, come back tomorrow, have a steady weekend. It won't be a steady week, it'll be an exhausting weekend, I can tell you straight away. And then carry on next week. In fact, I'm not going to show that, that's the boring bit. I'll show you my bike real quick. That's the fun part. Okay, so she's ready for touring pretty much. I just need to weigh the back box because there's quite a bit of weight in that, so you should put about 10 kilos in, but I don't think it's quite 10 kilos yet. So all I was doing yesterday was painting the crash bars and the oh my god, what they're called, the hand guards. So I've put them. So I've painted the crash bars. Painted the hand guards. So about the LED flashing, I can see it there. Yes, I came on this side, so the LED light on the left doesn't blur the screen. So I've painted those yesterday, so they're ready to go on the motorbike, and then the bike is ready. Oh, beautiful! Look at that. Ooh. And then the plan is, the van's all stickered up. I just need to fix the back door because I've got the dents on the back. Get the back stickered up like the sides as well. So I'm not sure if you follow me with the video. So I've stickered all the van up. I've done the stickers on the side for the business. I just need to do the back, but I've got a dent on the back door there. We're trying to have time to take the door off, fix and get it painted when I've got a minute. And then the next job is tackling my CRX. I'm going to start. Not next week, because next week is insanely busy next week. It's the week after. The week after I'm going to start the car and I'm going to get all the body work done. I've painted the engine bay, if anyone's interested. I've painted all the engine bay already. So under there's all freshly painted. You can't really see, but under there's all freshly painted. And I'm going to start tackling the body work. I've done all the welding, so I should do the body work, get it all cleaned inside, finish the interior, mask it all off, paint the shell. I've got some rust there. I think I need a tad more welding actually on that arch. Do that, do the body work, get it sprayed, then get the engine which I've rebuilt, which is in the back somewhere. And then all those parts there are all parts that need to go on this car because that's where my injector machine's going to go. And then just keep on tidying up. So we'll see, we've got a bit of a mess. I was leaving a bit late yesterday, so I've left a bit of a mess where I've been mixing paint and all sorts. So that's going to get tidied up straight away, keep it as clean as possible. I want to have a clear separation between mechanical and injector side. And that's about it really for the car. So I'm hoping the car's going to be, well, it's going to get a lot of work done soon. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll try and film. I don't know how much I can film, to be fair. I can't film. I tell you, these tape dispensers are good, but what happens is sometimes the tape goes in there and it drives you nuts. Yes, I'll film part of the way there. Obviously, I can't film inside the eBay premises. I'll probably just film part of the way down, really, and tell you how it went afterwards. But yeah, pretty excited. It'll be very tiring, but pretty excited. Meet new people, learn a few new things, and we'll just see how it goes. So I think too small. I think I shall see you in a bit because I'm just packing 2 parcels now, which I'm sure you've seen me do a million times. And I've got to actually rush, get home, have a shower. I got all my clothes ready yesterday. So I'm going to go and have a shower, get ready, run to this train. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage and I'm going to do all the things on the train that I haven't had time to do, such as work on things for my eBay meetup, work on other bits and bobs that I need to do, things like updating my website, all the boring stuff that I've never had time to just sit down and do really. So I'm hoping there's plug sockets on the train. Probably won't be, to be fair. Probably won't be. But we'll see. Right guys, I'll see you in the next segment of this video.